This is one of two Trane straight cool central air conditioners at a convenience store. This one was manufactured in September of 2004. It is matched up with a gas furnace, and I do not know what model it is. I think it's just one of those generic commercial units that doesn't have a model designation. It just says Trane on it. And this is it would appear to be a 5 nominal ton. Might be a commercial 3-phase, I don't know. And then this is a freezer component right here, this 0 zone. And I don't know what this is. It kind of looks like the 1986 Lennox I just filmed, but I don't think it's a heat pump or an air conditioner. I think it's part of another freezer or refrigerator system inside the restaurant or inside the convenience store. You can see the compressor in the filter dryer right there, and the back of the fan. And then this is another refrigerator freezer component. And then here's another Trane straight cool unit. And this one is from September of 2003. Yeah, there's no model designation on this, so I'd say it's probably just it's a 2003, so I'd say it's probably just a 10 SEER or an 11 SEER. Maybe a 12 SEER. I think it's just a 10 SEER though. It looks exactly like that little Trane XB10 heat pump I got a video of a couple years ago. That 2003 XB10 heat pump. So yeah, these are both straight cool units matched up with gas furnaces. Public natural gas. And this is a Bone. Bone, the cold standard. Alright, so thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.